Hello there, it is I, earthmanbrick, back again. And today we're going to be making up the TTCombat's MDF kit, the comic book store. And yes, this is quite a nice kit. Comes with a nice signage and windows, pavings, all this gump. Although I'm not too keen on the roof. I don't know what the hell's going on there. It's perhaps some sort of reference I don't get. Anyway, it comes with not one, but two signs. So I thought, rather than just make the one store, I'll make another store that's immediately adjacent to it, just using one of our old cat food boxes here. Textured wallpaper, inside corrugation on there, perfect for making shutters with. See you soon. Bye. Hello there. As you can see, it's all been assembled. It took about half an hour to get up to this basic stage. Turned it into an extra floorboard, and then I've extended out this wall here, so this one building can become two pieces of card, and just layered them like so. And I've just cut out some words and then just glued them on to make some relatively basic kind of magazines, comics. It's meant to be a comic book store. And I did think, you know what, I'm going to print out all those comics that I've got on a PDF file. But I thought better of it. I thought, no, I've got plenty of other materials that I can recycle. So I went to the Smith's toy catalogue, and right in at the back here you've got some absolute treasure. You've got lots of video games. And I figured all you need to do is just cut out the face bits and whatnot, then it'll look vaguely like a comic. But I just wanted to show you it at this stage, because it'll be a lot harder to explain how, the order of things and how I've gone about it. But anyway, let's get back to it, so bye for now. Hello again, and we're back, and here it is, all done and dusted. So we've turned what was one store, that's it there, into two, just with a little bit of extra creativity. So we've got use the empty sprue frames for the windows, and a piece of acetate, some cable ties, card, and a little bit of love. That's a secret ingredient that we all need in our projects. Copious amounts of love. And I've spilled some love right in here. It's not actually love goo, it's ooh-hoo, which is not too dissimilar. It's quite a sticky sort of substance, but I thought for here we've got a sort of caved in roof, and I wanted it to be the result of a kind of water damage. You'll also have noticed, because you guys are very perceptive, that we've got lots of little tufts. Courtesy of the War Painter Scenics. Great stuff. So that's that all there. And yeah, I'm pretty damn happy with how this has turned out. I had to paint on the lettering here, which was a pain. But for the rest of the lettering that we've all got on here, I just used some Sharpie pens just to get that glitz and glamour. And how does a comic book store interior look? Well, it looks rather nice. I did accidentally spray paint over the windows, so I had to scratch the paint back off again, but I really like it. It's given it that worn, looked and lived in feeling. So yes, there's our dilapidated stores, suitable for our post-apocalyptic, zombie and modern war games. Because let's face it, in the modern world, we've got a lot of stores nowadays that are in a state of, well, not being open, thanks to recessions and whatnot. But hey, you're here for entertainment, not to be reminded about horrendous recessions and the fact that we are edging closer and closer towards an actual post-apocalyptic society. So, hopefully this, oh dear, I've just stuck my finger in the gooey stuff. Ooh. Let's see. Yes, that's needed a few extra bubbles. I don't hate it. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks again for watching. Good riddance and bye.